Computer networks. Learning objectives. Define what a computer network is. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of computer networks. Describe the main types of computer network. Computer networks. A computer network is two or more computers connected together, whereas a computer that is not connected to a network is standalone. The term computer can mean a range of different devices, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Advantages of networking. Files are stored centrally on a server so can be accessed on computers across the network. Devices, e.g. printers, scanners, are accessible on any network-connected computer. One internet connection can be used for multiple different devices using a router. User accounts and software can be deployed across network computers. Disadvantages of networking. Availability. If connection is lost, files and devices are unavailable. Performance. Larger networks are slower and less reliable. Management. Specialist knowledge and skills are required. PAN, Personal Area Network. LAN, Local Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. Personal Area Network. PAN, Personal Area Network, is used within a very small area. This is usually on a person or in a vehicle. Bluetooth is usually used to connect these devices, which has a typical range of about 10 meters. Examples of PANs. Smartwatches. Wireless headphones. Wireless keyboard/mice. Car entertainment systems. Local Area Network. LAN, Local Area Network, is used within a small geographical area, which is usually limited to one building. These networks can be connected wirelessly, but for reliability, wired hardware, Ethernet, is often used. Examples of LANs. Home networks. Small businesses. Schools and colleges. Wide Area Network. One wide area network is spread across a large geographical area, often an entire country or further. The Internet is a large-scale WAN, which uses undersea cables to connect computers across the world. Examples of WANs. The Internet. Mobile networks. Banking networks. Drag and drop the network examples into the correct category. Here are the correct answers.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.